So while that's going, we're going to supreme a lemon. And I'm really excited to show you guys how to do this. But first we're going to get the zest off. And so I'm going to just use my microplane here. I hardly ever use a lemon that I don't take the skin off of it, because the zest is so flavorful and it adds such a nice lemony taste without being sour. I find it addictive. So even if I'm just going to squeeze a lemon, sometimes I'll zest it first and save the zest for something else. I'll freeze it. I'll put it in a Ziploc bag. And the next time I make muffins or cookies, or maybe just want to put something delicious on top of a soup, I'll pull that zest out and top it. So there we have our wonderful zest. And now I'm going to cut off the bottom and the top of the lemon. And then I'm going to cut away the skin. And it's really easy to do. You just kind of follow the round shape. And I've probably done this about 1,000 times. But the first few times it'll feel a little bit awkward, but then you'll get the hang of it. And I've got almost all of the white stuff off. There you go. Let's get this out of here. And now the next thing you want to do is to cut between the segments of the lemon. And so you just cut down in between those membranes and pop it out. And don't worry if you lose some of it. It's inevitable. And pop it out. And you can do this with oranges, you can do it with limes, you can do it with grapefruit. And I make a joke that, but don't ever do this with an orange for a child, because then they'll go to their friend's house and ask that mom to supreme their orange for them, and you won't be a very popular mom after that, if you supreme your children's oranges, I guess. But this is a really nice thing to do when you want to add some fresh fruit to a salad. A supremed orange or grapefruit in a salad is really delicious. It's just kind of luxurious not to have that membrane. So I'm going to put the rest of the membranes away and pick out the seeds, because we don't want those. And I have a couple more right here. There we go.